about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie with All Things Travel by Julie. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. Please be sure to check out my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. So I wanted to do a follow-up video on my away luggage. A few weeks ago I posted my reveal on the away luggage and I'm so in love with it, still I am, but it did have some scratches and dents along the way from my initial trip that I took, and exactly on one trip, and it has gotten some damage to it. So I want to show you what it looks like after just one trip. So let's go ahead and check it out.
So this is the front of the luggage, and right away you can see there's a giant dent and some scratches. So I'm going to take a little closer look right here. So yes, it definitely got dented up and you have several scratches on the luggage. So you can imagine when I saw that I was like, oh, because that is not what I expected. I mean, I kind of did expect it, but I was hoping for it not to be like that. You see the corners are scratched up, and here you can see close up the scratches. So not a pleasant experience so far, but again, it's aluminum, so you know that was bound to happen, and kind of builds like memory, like, okay, so when I went to Mexico, when I went to New York, you know, this is what happened to my luggage. So these are all stories you can tell. So on the side of the luggage, you can see that the stoppers are a little scratched up, and we have some scratches here on the side. Those are relative minor in comparison to the front. So they're scuffed up right there. Now this corner got a beating. So yeah, when you purchase an away luggage or any aluminum luggage, you need to take in consideration that this is exactly what might happen. It's going to get banged up and scratched up. So if you can't handle that abuse to your luggage, then perhaps an aluminum luggage is not the best option for you. Another slight dent right here. And then here we have some scuffs. So you can see after just one trip, this luggage has gotten beat up quite a bit. So, and that's why I'm doing this review, so that you don't go out and spending all this money on any luggage that's aluminum, because they're quite expensive, and then you get this shocking surprise. Now the front where we have our locks, they got a little bit scratched up. Mostly they're okay. There's this one right here that's actually slightly scratched up more than the others. And then again, we have the scuffing up here. And here we have the back side, which surprisingly the back side is quite intact. There are only a few scratches on top. Well, they're mostly on the corner edges, and then you have the sticky marks on the sides there. But, and this you see. But yeah, so don't go out buying an aluminum luggage thinking it's going to last you forever. Well, it will, but it's also going to get lots of scratches and dents along the way. So you just have to be prepared for that. Other than the few scratches and dents, the luggage held up pretty well, I think. The wheels are still intact. The handle is still intact, which usually I find those break rather quickly. So yeah, overall I'm happy. Again, I did expect these scratches and dents. I was hoping it would be a few more trips before it happens, but oh well, it happened on my first trip, and now you know too.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.